Hello, it is the 6th of July, 2011. It's now getting in on a little after 10 o'clock in the morning. Silver currently at around $35.75 per ounce. This trend line, which I was showing yesterday and over the weekend, has now been tested for that of a fourth time within this level after it was making this pattern of lower highs and lower lows. There's the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You can say this was a lower high, and we did make this matching low. Thus, we've now gotten above this high, but we're still below the previous one at around 36 and 2/3, 36.75. And we've already found support again at this previous resistance. That I was saying yesterday, watch out for this level to become that of support. It really wasn't where it went up to, rather whether it can come back down in or around this area and then lift higher. Thus far, so far, that has been the case. As far as the direction from the 50-day low and the 50-day high, which is it's my favorite indicator more than any of them, and we see that they're showing the exact reverse pattern. That's because right after the market made a new 50-day high, the market made a new 50-day low just days later. However, for me to see a confirmed breakout for the upside, I need to not only see this trend line get broke. Now, this was 4 o'clock yesterday, so it's already broken above this particular trend line. But what's got to happen is it's got to get above this resistance level and above the blue line, because if the market goes higher, the orange line will go higher and the blue line will go lower. If the market goes lower, then of course the opposite would be the case. Now, yesterday I had some interesting ratings at the start of the video. Maybe it was because of the quality. If you notice, look at the quality of this video, this one, and then this one. It's that's how the start of the YouTube videos work. If you watch one of my videos or any video at the start, just minutes after it's uploaded, very oftentimes the quality isn't the greatest, but you've seen the ratings go from 2 up, 4 down after 18 views, then 2 up and 6 down after 30 views, and well, now it's 6. Well, excuse me. After that, it went to 6, 6. Now it's like 58 up and 7 down. That's when you know that there was most likely one individual or a group of individuals that decided that maybe it was due to the video quality. Of course, I know that's not the case. Just showing phony ratings more than anything. Okay, now let's start talking about some phases because I was given an interesting little link that had an image very close to this within the 4 stages that silver has, which starts off with a stealth phase, awareness phase, the mania phase, and the blow off phase. Within the stealth phase, you have the market breaking out. Awareness phase, you'll see the market continuing to go higher, maybe a little bit of a sell off, but nothing that's too significant. And then in the mania phase, the media picks up on it, people get enthusiastic, the greed sets in, the delusion sets in, and then the blow off phase has major capitulation. Okay, this is fine and all, but now let's take a look at where silver would relate to this and which phase it would be in. The first thing to look at is this mean, which is a straight upward trend line, which would pretty much be the average or fair price. And when you have inflation, it's supposed to be in an uptrend. Therefore, how much higher are we from the mean? Because apparently, for the market to really blow off, it needs to get well above the mean. And in my personal belief, in my personal research, I don't think we're that much above the mean. Now, the word stealth, that means where you have to be a criminal to know about it. And I don't mean criminal, but you know information that pretty much everybody else doesn't know. Of course, that comes before the awareness phase. Therefore, I almost feel we're not even in the awareness phase today. I almost feel we're still in the stealth phase because I feel I know information that you don't know. And when I say you, I don't mean you in particular. I mean you as in the macro consciousness of people. because I know dollars are fiat. I know silver has been suppressed for quite some time, and there's so much more along this issue. So to me, it feels that with that being the case, no, we haven't even reached the mania phase as of yet. We're probably in the awareness phase. Maybe this is that of the first sell off. I'll get more into that as I compare it with another comparison from Brian Shannon. But for now, we have the media coming in on it. You know what? That hasn't happened yet. That has not happened yet. And I don't want to hear people say, no, the media was in on it in April. We had Don Harold on the street or some show like that, and well, we haven't seen major talk about it by any means whatsoever. The media has not been involved in it yet. Enthusiasm, well, all this type of stuff, in my opinion, will be coming in the triple digits as we are moving higher. Now, there's an interesting one for Brian Shannon. You might have seen the chart that looks something like this, where the market's going off and you start off with this depression. Well, oh, it sucks. Silver is a little over $1. I don't know why I was even thinking about getting silver. Don't know. And then the markets go higher. You got a little bit of disbelief. Yeah, whatever. Silver's a buck 40. It's not going to hold. And then you're up here. Okay, hope. You know what? Maybe, just maybe, there's something about silver here. Yeah, just maybe. Oh, you know what? Yeah, yeah. I think silver's it's good. Silver's a good bet. And then you get the belief factor. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. So dollars are backed by nothing. It's going higher, and you're so thrilled. Yep, I told you. What did I say about this? For sure, we knew that it was going higher. And then you get to your euphoric stage, and well, the market sells off, and you have this little move here. You're complacent, and complacent means that you're all confident things are all fine, yet you don't know what's coming. And then the market's going lower. You get a little bit anxious, and now you're in denial. There's no way the market can be. It can't go any more lower. It just can't. There's no way. This is a fake out. And yeah, I told you, it's a denial. The market's going higher, and oh, geez, it's now going lower. So you're panicking. You see it go up, and now it's back down. Oh man, I'm so depressed. I don't even know why I'm into silver. You might be saying here, and now you see this rally going up. Yeah, whatever. I don't think it's gonna last. It's gonna go right back down. We're going back below 3. We're going to $2 an ounce, and well, maybe not. Well, just maybe it might go up, and then it goes lower. I don't know if I should hope anymore. And now it's breaking. You know what? I'm pretty optimistic now. Silver's good, and yep, I believe for sure that's possibly where it's currently at. And if we're at the belief stage, we still got 2 more left, which would be that of thrill and euphoria. However, with that being said, though, we're in a situation now where we're looking for a possible bubble and we need to know the mean. So we'll say that the mean is, well, below the depression area, we were definitely below the mean. We'll say that. So if this is the mean right now, back in here, it was well above the mean. Now it's just getting back above the mean where there's no reason on this case to even consider this to be a price bubble. And I'm not saying bubble, but a situation where the markets just really crash so hard. Nothing to show that right now. Thank you for watching and have yourself a magnificent day. Bye bye.